Following months of accusations of the use of disproportionate and unnecessary use of force, harassment and intimidation, and that was from the UN, by security forces from the country during those protests that took place earlier this year, the Prime Minister has admitted that police did use live ammunition. Now, Cleopatra Dlamini told the BBC's Nomsa Masego that police had fired on demonstrators calling on the autocratic ruler, King Emaswati III, to bring about political reform and democracy. This is what he had to say.
Eswatini, Africa's last absolute monarchy, has experienced some of the most violent protests the country has ever seen. The message is clear. People want an end to King Emaswati III's autocratic rule. They want the power to elect their own government and not those appointed by the king, most of whom are his closest and loyal family members. But the protests have been met with resistance. Pro-democracy activists claim at least 40 people have been killed by security forces, but the government has disputed this.
Nobody knows whether everybody who died was killed by the police, because there were also owners of property who were protecting their properties. There was a lot of looting, and so people were protecting their properties, and in that process they were shooting back. And of course the police also were shooting. So I'm not saying the police didn't kill anyone, but I'm saying not everybody who died was killed by the police.
The violent demonstrations left many more injured, plunging their already overwhelmed healthcare system into crisis.
Small boys were shot. Some of them are amputated. Some of them have their stomachs open. And to see a small boy, 15-year-old